Shall we begin?
Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here, and today I will teach you guys how to do the transitions from the shoulder freeze to grab. So the transitions that you need to master is the first one, laying down from the ground to shoulder freeze, and the second one is the grab. But here's the thing, I want you guys to do the reverse way for each move. So if you are doing your floor to your shoulder by turning to the right, make sure when you do your grab is turning to the left. I'm going to show you guys later on, so don't be confused. The reason I'm doing this because nowadays a lot of b-boys, when they're doing the transitions, they always focus on one side only. That is why if you can master both ways, there's a big plus in your either footwork or transitions. So that's why in this video I will show you guys how to do the transitions by going both sides. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Now step 1, we're gonna start from laying down on the ground and going to the shoulder freeze. This is the basic, so if you haven't learned this move, make sure you master this first, alright? Very basic transitions, but when you're doing that, make sure that your left leg is touching the ground if you're going or turning to the right like what I did just now. So if you're turning to the left, then do it the vice versa. Now from the shoulder freeze, it's time to go to the grab transitions, but the beauty of this video today is I'm going to show you guys two ways to doing it. The first one is very straightforward, you're just gonna go to the grab right away. And the second one is you can add in a footwork in between your shoulder freeze and your grab. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys two different ways, and the first one we're going to start from the go to the grab transitions right away, and the second one we're gonna add in some footwork in between. There you go, the transition from your shoulder freeze to your grab. But this is not like your normal transitions. This is the both side transitions like what I did just now. You can see if I'm going from the floor to my shoulder freeze, if I turn into the right, I make sure that when my grab transitions, I'm turning to the left, alright? So again, if you're doing the other way than me, then make sure you flip it over, just doing the reverse of what I'm doing just now. And that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time.